Welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about Open API specification. So what is Open API specification says? The Open API specification defines a standard language agnostic interface to RESTful APIs, which allows both humans and computers to discover and understand the capabilities of the service without access to source code, documentation, or through network traffic inspection. Means we can define an API in a template, and the same template can be implemented by number of different technologies. It can be Java, it can be a Scala, but the API will remain same. And also we can easily understand from the API what this microservice functionalities provides to us. So this is what OpenAPI specification says, and we will discuss in detail about this in coming videos. Thank you.